How to create a Webull account. So if you want to create a Webull account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar you have to search for Webull, and after searching, here on the first search you will have www.webull.com. click on that. Now if you want to create your account on Webull, then you have to click on sign up, which is on the upper right corner. Now to sign up or to create your account, first you have to enter your phone number. You can choose your country code by simply clicking on the drop down bar, and then you can choose your country code, and after choosing your country code you can simply enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number you have to click on send code, which is on the right side on the next blank, and after clicking on the send code you will receive a code to your phone number which you have just entered. So you have to enter that verification code here on the second blank, and after entering the code you have to click here if you want to receive any any promotional and marketing text messages, or if you don't want to receive, then you can leave it, and you have to click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions. Or you can also continue with your Facebook account, or you can continue with your Google account. And after entering your phone number and the verification code, you have to click on next, and that's it. That's the way to create a Webull account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.